Thanks for joining me in this video today. If you're looking to build a website for your children's cafe, you're certainly in the right place because today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the Mighty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with the Mighty Sites platform as yet, Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. Now, once you've registered your free trial on the Mighty Sites platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top very quickly and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, Children's Cafe. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select the template. Awesome. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our Children's Cafe so we can generate a simple website for our business. Whoops. Let's go ahead and put in our company name as well as our city and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your children's cafe is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the world. Let's go ahead and leave the type of business as restaurants, click on continue, and let Mighty Sites work its magic. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of maybe the delicious meals you're serving up for the children, perhaps of your play area. You want to showcase it on your website, all the different activities. You can do that. So today that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be working my way through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. Awesome. Let's make sure that box underneath our email address is ticked to display the email address on our website. Phone number, let's pop it in. That is click to call, by the way. Address, physical location. The great thing about that physical location when your website is live, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your website. Let's head on over to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet for your business, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Logos now been uploaded. If you want to edit it, crop it, zoom in, make it fit into the section a little bit better, you can click on the pencil. Once it's been uploaded, you can make it bigger and smaller on the right here. Awesome. Now with Mighty Sites as well, you can change all the colors that have been pre-selected for you. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to just click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. Let's check it out. Awesome. Let's move on to the next section. Now for each section with the images, all you need to do is click on update image and browse your device and upload your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from and they're all completely free to use. Head on over to update content. Over here, you can change the title, subtitle, and all the content for each section. Button currently says order online. Maybe you wanted to say view our menu, for example. You can go ahead and choose links for each of the buttons. You can upload a PDF file of your menu, an action you could link to, or link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings, reservations, or people can order their meals online. Under this section, you can update your hours to display your hours on your website so people know the hours of your trading. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. If you don't have a domain yet, maybe you recently launched your business, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your children's cafe. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.